What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Scatty Daddy. We have a huge mod today. Today we are installing the MP Concepts ignition button cover. All right, so as I just said, major mod today. So we snagged this when it was on sale. Figured, why not? We finally finished installing all of the parts that I had for the Scat pack, so I waited for this one until the very end. We have put on our rear diffuser, our rear extensions, our side splitters, our rear louver, our catch can, and the list just goes on. So everything that's included, you have your ignition button cover right here. It does come with some instructions, which I don't think you're going to need. And then here is your double-sided tape, as well as your alcohol prep pad. So it's gonna go right there. We're just gonna get the alcohol pad. We're just gonna wipe this clean really quick, and then we're gonna adhere the tape to the back of our little thingy-majigger, and then we'll stick it on. So let's get to it. All right, so we have it installed. Now let's see if it works. It works. All right. So basically, we're the coolest Challenger on the road right now. How to have it. Thanks for watching.